Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, depending on the time that you come across this video. You are welcome to Elkanah tutorial. In our previous class, I told us that we are going to discuss about equation properly. Equations properly. We will start from the definition of an equation. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement, and equation is a mathematical statement that shows equality between two expressions. Full stop. Now listen. For example, when we mean that an equation is a mathematical statement that shows equality between two expressions. For example, let's say the first equation we solve, 2x plus 6 equals to 16. We can change the numbers. It can be 4x plus 4 equals to 16, etc. Now, we said that it is a mathematical statement that shows equality between two expressions. Now, this is an equal to sign. This is what makes these expressions an equation. This side is an expression. This side is an expression. So the equality sign makes them, the both expressions, to become an equation. Listen again to the definition. I said an equation is a mathematical statement that shows equality between two expressions. So these are the two expressions. This one, and this are the two expressions. So the equality sign is what makes them to become an equation. Now, let's listen further. Equations which arise out of practical problems in many ways usually consist of more or less complicated expressions on both sides of the equation. There are different forms of equations, one of them being linear equation. Now, the linear equation is what we solved in our previous video or in our previous class. If you have not watched that video, please go back and watch that video so that you'll be able to understand what we are doing. There are different forms of equations, one of them being linear equation. A linear equation is a mathematical statement that contains only terms in one variable and constant, and the highest power of the variable is 1. The left hand side always equals the right hand side of the equation. Now, like in our previous video, you can tell that after we have solved the problem, after we have gotten the solution, we have to substitute the value of x into the original equation in order for us to get determine whether the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. We were able to do that in our second video. And there is something we also mentioned again from our definition. We said that linear equation, the highest power of the variable is always 1. It's not more than 1, and that is what makes it a linear equation. So that's what I think you should know about linear equation. We are going to for example, there are different, this is an example of linear equation. Let's say equation 1, and then this is also another example of linear equation. We can have things like 3 into d plus 2 bracket close equals to 8d plus 10. This is an example of linear equation also. The variable, the d here stands for variable. It can take any letter. It can take any letter. It can be X, it can be D, it can be Y, it can be C, depending on what the person that is giving you the equation wants to use. It can take F, it can take Z. It's just that X is a kind of like commonly used. X and Y is commonly used. So I think that's all we should know about an equation and linear equation for now. In our next video, we are going to solve more problems or provide solutions to more of the equations in linear equations. So please, if you have not followed my page, please follow my page. If you are in TikTok, please click the plus sign and follow me. And if you are in Facebook, please click the follow button and follow my page. And then if you are in YouTube watching this video, please click the subscribe button and follow my page. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye.